Good day, my people. You all are welcome. Look at that picture on your screen, and in that picture it wrote, Ohaneze Ndigbo rejects Senate bill naming Ooni, Sultan as permanent co-chairs of Traditional Rulers Council. Good one from Ohaneze Ndigbo. Ohaneze Ndigbo is right. We have to oppose that bill. We're not going to allow that bill to happen, because that bill is not in favor of the Igbo race. We Igbos, anything we're not in favor of for this country, we go to oppose them. The Sultan of Sokoto is not a traditional ruler. He is a religious leader. The Sultan of Sokoto is leading the Fulani people religiously, not a traditional ruler. He is not a king. So I'm not going to understand why they carry religious leader from the north to represent the entire traditional council in the country. It's not right. It's very wrong to put the Sultan of Sokoto as permanent chairman of traditional rulers in council in the entire country. That one not go work. If una go fit put Sultan of Sokoto, why una no go come put the head of Christian Association for Nigeria for that place? He's supposed to be there because he too is a religious leader. Look at this picture on your screen. It wrote, Hausa stakeholders reject bill having Sultan Ooni as permanent co-chairs. They are right. The Sultan of Sokoto is not representing Hausa people. He is representing Fulani. Hausa people know say them and these people different. I wanna go carry religious leader as permanent chairman of traditional rulers. What is wrong with this country, sef? No Igbo king is there to represent as chairman. The Ooni of Ife is there to represent Yoruba people, not we Igbos. So we Igbos, we need someone to be there. We need an Igbo king to be there to represent the southeast. You go carry Sultan of Sokoto to be permanent chairman. Do you know what he means by to be permanent? They don't even say, okay, after 4 years, make you come out. You put a permanent. If they like, they should do permanent. An Igbo king is supposed to be there. If they want to do a permanent, make it permanent, but make Igbo king also join that chairman. Now just because they make few people, they feel say these few people are the king of the entire country. The Ooni of Ife is just the king of Yoruba people. Now they lead Yoruba people, not we Igbos. We Igbos, we need a king from Igbo land to be there as permanent chairman also. Everything we just do for this country now, we just do them against Igbo people. Now we come out Igbo people. They say Wazobia, only Wazokon they there. Biano they there. This country, I'm not just know, many people for this country where call themselves politicians, they craze. Even if you don't like Igbo people, an Igbo king is supposed to be there. But when I just they show on a bigotry, on a evil, face to face, make people they see. They carry full and will be minority, put for there. Sultan of Sokoto, make it they represent the entire north. Hausa people say no. Now we Igbos, they not see others for there. Only Ooni of Ife come be the traditional ruler where they there. When I carry religious leader, put for there. Ohanaeze and Southeast traditional rulers should make sure that this bill does not come to pass. Which kind of rubbish be that? This is why the Igbo race should unite. Let's unite. The only unity will make these people stop to insult us. Imagine just carry two people, put for that place as permanent chairman. What are they cheering? In unity, we Igbos will have one voice. We will have a say in this country. Anything we no favor Igbo land, we will oppose that thing. Ohanaeze Ndigbo should make sure that that bill does not come to pass, because it's an insult to the Igbo race. Remain blessed, Ohaneze Ndigbo. Ishiewale.